Hi everyone, a major changes is coming on Social Security on March 7, 2026, and if you could be affect how millions of Americans connect the agency. But here the surprise part, many beneficiary maybe never notice the difference. So what actually is changing and should be you take action before the switch happen? Let's break down. The Social Security Administration is launching the largest internal overhaul in the mid on the decades. The more than 72.5 million Americans currently receiving Social Security benefits, and the agency is updating how to manage appointment and claim. Until now, the SSA relates the more than 1,200 local field office is handling its own appointment and case workload. The system often caused by uneven wait times. Some office could be respond quickly while other is delay lasting weeks on every month. Starting March 7, 2026, new national system will be replaced the old mode. The first system is called National Appointment Schedule Calendar. Instead, the booking an appointment with the local office only, you request now to place a national pool. This means SSA representative across the country could be handle your call or meeting. The second system is National Workload Management System. The tool is automatically identify, claim their sitting ideals and resign there to office with lighter workload. Things a national dispatch central social security cases office say could be speed of decision more than 10,000 Americans who file new social security claim every day. Not everyone will feel impact equally. If you already receiving retirement benefits, have no pending claims, you like notice no change at all. People activity dealing with the SSA such filing new claims, appealing delay, reporting life change may be biggest difference. For disability claims, the change may be more complicated. Some case involve state level agencies, so speaking a representative on female local producer could be require extra follow us. Expert recommends complete important tasks before March 7 since phone wait times and sexual delay common during major system rollout. Thanks for watching this video.